So what's this for? What's this for? So this is methodology you have to learn as a finance major. You need to learn what is portfolio and the double sorting and the sorting. So so this is something you guys need to learn when you do the test. So let me explain the portfolio sorting and the double sorting to you guys. You see what's the idea behind. Okay, so what does this table mean? So what do I mean by you have to sort the whole stock? So each year in the US we have about 5,000 stocks. We have 5,000 stocks, and then what do? So you sort the stocks based on NOA growth. This is a quintile, and also you sort the stocks based on total asset growth. This is quintile sorting too. And then so each of the cell here represents all the stocks that's under the low NOA growth and the low total asset growth. So each cells here is the stocks fall into the category of the NOA growth and the total asset growth. So let's take an example here. So what does the stocks here mean? Stocks in this cell means stocks here have low total asset growth and a low NOA growth. That's the portfolio we have here. So what does the portfolio we have here? The portfolio we have here, that's the stocks which have high total asset growth, and also high NOA growth. Okay, that's the stock portfolio we have here. And we also have a portfolio here. What's the portfolio here? The portfolio here is the stocks, the group of stocks which has low total asset growth and also high NOA growth. Make sense? Let's look at here. What's the stocks? What's the number of stocks here? The group of stocks here is the stocks which has high total asset growth and low NOA growth. Okay, that's why we buy two by two sorting. We buy 2 by 2 sorting. This is a very important test for you guys when you guys do the trading strategy. Why is that? Why is this important? The importance of this is because let's look at the rows. You guys can follow my mouse, right? When I move my mouse, you can see that. Okay, so let's look at the first row. Okay, first row. So when the total asset growth is low, when it's low, you can still see the variation on the NOA growth. So in that case, when you're holding the total asset growth constant, if you use the high NOA growth minus low NOA growth, you obtain very high future returns. Same thing, if you're holding the total asset growth constant, you use the high NOA growth minus low NOA growth, you obtain high returns, even if you hold NOA growth constant. Does that make sense to you? Okay, let's do the opposite. Let's holding the NOA growth constant. Let's look at this one. When you hold the NOA growth constant, you use the high total assets growth minus low total asset growth. Did you find any returns? You don't. Look at here. When you hold the NOA growth constant, you use the high total asset growth minus low total asset growth. Did you see any returns? You don't. So this 2 by 2 sorting kind of tell you who are the boss, right? So basically you can tell if we hold total asset growth constant, if you variate the NOA growth, you can get abnormal returns. But if you hold NOA growth constant, if you variate the total asset growth, you get nothing. So who is the boss here? Who is the boss here? Obvious. The NOA growth is the boss here because when you holding the total asset growth constant, the NOA growth works. When you hold the NOA growth constant, TA growth do not work. So the 2 by 2 sorting, it's a very typical way for you to tell who are the boss. It's the horse racing tool. Like you can tell who actually drives the results. So I want you guys to be able to do that.